everyone, this is Padma ma'am. As I said, this video is mainly for this channel is mainly for page wise revision. So page wise revision, we are doing the 10th chemistry science term 2 portion from CBSE NCERT textbook, page number 61. See, what topic we are going to see now is allotropes of carbon. Before entering into it, last topic what we have discussed is the polar and non-polar covalent bond and its structure and its dot structure representation. If you have any doubts related to that, just pass a message in a comment box. Before that, kindly subscribe this channel. It will be surely useful for you to score centum and page wise revision. See, now today coming to the topic allotropes of carbon. What is allotropes of carbon? Very important concept from this 2 mark is sure. So what is allotropes of carbon? It's a different forms of same element. For example, what is allotrope? See, the topic is allotropes of carbon. We want to know what is allotropes. Different forms of same element having the different physical property but almost similar chemical property. Why? Because it is of all same element. So we are going to see what is allotrope. Now the same element possessing different physical property but the chemical property are similar. See, you should not be confused. Make it sure when you are writing a definition. The definitions are very important. Then what is allotropy? Allotropy, the phenomena of existence of allotropic forms of element is called as allotropy. So in this chapter we are going to see mainly carbon, its allotropes. So there are three different types of allotropes, that is diamond, graphite, fluorescein. So what is diamond? We know everyone know about diamond. We have seen about the diamond and everyone is crazy about the diamond. See, what is the diamond? In this we are going to see about the diamond structure. And see, diamond is the hardest natural substance, and we know that the diamond is a poor conductor of electricity. Why the diamond is poor conductor of electricity? And we discussed in the early videos, the carbon atomic number is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2,4. That is the carbon having 4 valence electron. In this, why the diamond is hardest and poorest conductor of electricity is, in diamond each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atom. Very important point in diamond. See, this point is useful for you can answer 2 questions. Why diamond is the hardest substance? This is the answer. And why the diamond is a poor conductor of electricity? This is the answer. In diamond each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon because the carbon has a valency of 4. So, and it forming a 3-dimensional structure. Hence, see, this is a diamond structure. Diamond, when then the carbon is bonded to 4 other carbon and forming a strong bond. Hence it is hardest and it is a poor conductor of electricity because it doesn't have any free electrons. As I discussed early, to have a conductivity we should have free electrons. If we don't have the free electrons, they are not going to conduct electricity. And the diamond is extremely chemically unreactive. So then the diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. The reason for this is because it is connected to 4 other carbon atom. It does not have any free electrons. And if you go for the next allotropes of carbon, that is graphite. So graphite is a grayish black opaque substance and which is soft. See, I have given 4 points for each. You can write it in a 2 mark when they ask the difference, and you can write it in the 5th point. You can write the structure, and you can write it in a 3 mark question also if it is asked. So what is a graphite? The graphite, say why the graphite is the only non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity is graphite. Why? In graphite, each carbon atom is bonded to 3 other carbon atom in the same plane, forming the hexagonal ring. So hence, because they are bonded to only 3 other carbon atom, so it has a fourth carbon free, left it free. Hence it can conduct electricity. And the graphite is reactive, but diamond is unreactive, and graphite is a good conductor of electricity. And fluorescent, and it is also called as Buckminster fluorescent, and the carbon C60. That is why the fluorescent having a 60 carbon atom arranged like a football. Yes. So we'll see in the book what we have discussed now. So I have given the notes and how it will be as. This is page number 61. So I have started from the page number 56. I have started from the page number 58. So now this is a 60th page. Each page wise you can see in this. So diamond and graphite formed by the carbon atom. So it lies in the so the same thing, diamond rigid structure, graphite hexagonal structure, and see, and the graphite structure, the layers hexagonal, and next the diamond and graphite have different physical property and have same chemical property, that is the definition. And then the diamond is subjected to the pure carbon with a high pressure and temperature. Synthetic diamonds are small. Okay, next fluorescent, Buckminster fluorescent, that is 30 carbon atom. They are arranged in a football shape. So till 60th page I have completed all the topic. Kindly go through the video and kindly subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.